First, we talk about this three topic, but the three topics are latest. First of all, Chern-Simons theory, others on the topological field theory, and Instanton, uh, some of the one specific solutions around the Sphaleron, also the similar to the Instanton process, but the important process is in the leptogenesis. So first of all, the Chern-Simons theory the latest with the topological Lagrangians. Topological Lagrangians mean that this is within in terms of the matrix T mu or the four-dimensional space-time. But case of the 2+1 space-time, the matrix times T mu is replaced by the antisymmetric symbol. Epsilon. There are three-dimensional space-time, so epsilon be nu lambda. And the Lagrangian can be written through with such epsilon nu lambda in here. And the gauge U1 gauge boson field A mu partial nu A lambda. As the bounds Lagrangians with some constant kappas in here. So the forms is epsilon A partial I forms. It is the one example of the topological Lagrangian and Chern-Simons theory. And from the following Lagrangians, the equations motions are given by the epsilon partial I equal to 0. And if we define the field structure in this model as the commutative the partials, derivatives, and the gauge boson field, then the equation motions reduces equal to the up minus equal to 0. And if we add the current A mu J mu, then the equation motions becomes that the there's the field structure on the left-hand side and the left-hand side has a current. And if we define some magnetic field in this model as a partial derivatives of the A mu with the antisymmetric tensor, antisymmetric symbol, then we can define sort of the magnetic fields like the electrodynamics. Then the for the mu equal to 0, index mu equal to 0, the left-hand side becomes the charge density from the current, and the right-hand side becomes the magnetic field in this model. So if we integrate over the two-dimensional space-time, the charge is proportional to the blocks of the field. This makes the fractional charge in the Chern-Simons theory, or block into the charge or fractional charge. And such fractional charge is arranged from the topological Lagrangian. Instanton is the relative topic. The instanton is some tunneling in the quantum field theory. That's a transition from the one ground state to the other ground state. And that instanton is actually the particle that is actually the one process or one solution of the given system. So let's consider such a double wall potential. Then there are two ground states. The transition between those two ground states, such a process is called the instanton. Now, the other relatives that are some of the description of the force vacuum. For example, if there are some of the local minimums at the pi plus, but there's a global minimums that are pi minus. Then pi plus is a force vacuum, but pi minus is a zero vacuum. So there will be the transition from the force vacuum to zero vacuums. And there will be the domain walls that will be up here between the pi plus and pi minus. So in the universe, some regions in the pi had the pi minus value, which is a force vacuum, two vacuums, and the originally is the pi is located in pi plus at the force vacuum, but by the transitions pi goes to 2 vacuums, pi minus. So such a pi minus 2 vacuum bubble will be the increase over the cosmic time, and the area between the pi minus and pi plus become the domain wall. So let's consider some of the specific examples of the instanton. There are some the ones color fields and the one-dimensional space-time. So there are only the time component, time derivatives of the field as kinetic term. And let's assume that there are stationary trajectory, which is satisfied this such a Lagrangian equation. Then energy is given by the such a big stationary trajectory. So energy is the conserved quantities in here. So it's means the constant energy solutions as one ground state to the other ground state. And if the energy equal to use there's a relation between the such a potential and the time derivatives to the field, and by this we can make the instanton action exponential I instanton as a processor of the transitions between the two ground state. The Sphaleron is a similar descriptions. From this instanton, there are double well, but the Sphaleron started at the highest is local globals of the potential, and it goes to this local minima randomly. It starts from the CTH interaction. The Lagrangian can be written like covariant derivative. Psi can be the cock or the Lopton, and the covariant derivatives are written with the CTH symmetry. And this Lagrangians does not satisfy the color symmetry because of the color anomaly in the quantum level by the triangle loop. So anomalous water identity, such a color current is not conjugate with the non-zero right-hand system, and such a epsilon f up, that up is up tilde as the dual, so epsilon gives us such a up dual. So right-hand side is related with the topological result because epsilons are anti-symmetric symbols in here. And by integrated over the space component, then we can define the charge, and it is the same with the Chern-Simons integer number. So such a topological object related with the integer number, algebraic integer number, is called the Atiyah-Singer-Indak theorem. Atiyah-Singer-Indak theorem. And if we consider time variation of this charge, difference of the q at the infinity time and the minus infinity is giving like that. It means the fermions are created in non-perturbative interactions because such a double potential or periodic potentials are generalized by the non-perturbative regime. And such a charge difference or Chern-Simons number so related with the baryon number violation and Lambda number violation. Delta Q or delta N Chern-Simons numbers times the number of the fermions equal to the baryon number, because the baryon numbers can be obtained by this formula. Influence of the Chern-Simons numbers difference. Caucus has one of the third baryon numbers, and there are three colors and three generations of baryon number violations equal to the 3 times the Chern-Simons numbers difference. The Lambda numbers is given like that. Each Lambda variables the bar like this with the 1 over the number of the fermions times the difference of the Chern-Simons number. This means that the delta B baryon number violation and delta Lambda number violation is the same. So B minus are the conjugates during the Sphaleron process, but B plus is the bar like this. And from that to formulas, there are such a relation. And such a Sphaleron process is important to generalize the baryon symmetry from the Lambda symmetry in the Lambda system in the universe. The Sphaleron says that only occurs before the electroweak pain transition. So after the electroweak pain transitions, the Sphalerons are decoupled and the leptogenesis ended. And such a Sphaleron process is related with the Instanton or Chern-Simons theory, which connects the topological series X and the algebra X integer number, especially the anomaly.